Hey guys, Alex here at the Hillcrest facility, and you guys may remember exactly 4 weeks ago I did a video here because TTC was having its Centennial anniversary and had these exact same vehicles on display. Today we are back here because the TTC and United Way are partnering to have another open house, but this time we went inside the Duncan and Harvey shops, you know, where they gave us a behind-the-scenes look at how they repair like bus and streetcar parts. And yeah, I'm here with my friend Yahya, the transit guy.
Hey guys, it is Saturday, September.
Okay, I already yes, we're gonna. So this streetcar, this is the articulated light rail vehicle. It was not here last time I was there, but because Yahya is with me, we're just gonna go look for this. We're just gonna go through all the vehicles here, and I might just get it in one video as well. And there is the GM New Look. Film the video on that. It's on the way here, so we're gonna get a ride on it. This event closes in 45 minutes, so oh my gosh. So these streetcars were built in the late 80s by UTDC. So
This train will be holding here shortly for a crew change.
LOL.
Right, your turn.
So once again, I am back in the seats. Yes, sir. Yo. So this is the again. This is the seat here, but I do not signal bell. Okay, I don't think any of this works.
No, don't work, sadly.
Oh man. Okay, let's get out of here. Not out, but
Yeah, I had like an older smell.
so this streetcar here.
I deposited $20. I thought you had to pay $5.
I remember when this streetcar used to have a distinct smell, but it doesn't this time. But anyway, these are articulated streetcars. Hold on, Yahya. Sorry, man. Yeah.
You have some fans outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on. Look at that, they got the old Presto machine here. Yes, these streetcars were very common on the 501 Queen route, and they retired 3 years ago, actually 3 months before the CLRV retired. The CLRV is over there. I think that's the same streetcar I filmed when I went here last month for the Centennial event, and of course there's 4500 PCC streetcar, which I don't know if I'm going to go in the PCC streetcar. I don't like the smell of it, and plus, you know, already done the video on that.
They do have one of these streetcars at the Halton County Railway.
Yep, that's right, which I still haven't gotten around to yet, but I'm going to grab a picture of...
Does that work?
No. So we were just in there. Let's get a picture of this. I'm gonna catch up with. Okay, let's get a picture here. Probably for the thumbnail.
Guys, can you out the way trying to get a picture of the vehicle, please? Thank you.
Yes.
Sorry, thank you.
There we go. And there's the CLRV. And there's the Peter Witt. So basically, like, they have like these. So basically, this streetcar is like taking these guys on a ride, but we don't have time for that. Oh God, they played the exact same song here last time. Oh my goodness. They're literally replaying the same songs like last month. Now here is the distinct smell that I have grown up with. Like so many of you guys that live in Toronto. So, oh, I think they played that song too.
Does it? It doesn't say anywhere if it's about
oh my gosh, that song's I'm pretty sure they played that song last time I was here, but that's all right. I've been on the streetcar already, so. I'm not gonna get copyright for this yet, but okay, where's Yahya? I lost him.
If you got beauty, just raise them up, 'cause every
And there's the PCC. That's the vintage streetcar you guys also grew up with. They retired in 1995. Again, just like with the CLRV, I already did a video on that, so I'm not necessarily going to go inside, but where is Yahya?
Over here.
Hey, there you are. Okay. There you are. So I went in there already. I don't like the smell. And also, the TTC had a strict policy back then that's illegal to enter through the back doors. So, because, you know, for obvious reasons. And here is a Orion VII old generation bus, 7937. Funny thing is, I actually saw 7950 at Kennedy and Eglinton while I was filming a bus ride on the 34 routes. Look at this. So basically, they painted a few of these buses like this one here. It's a gray and white scheme, and they're used at you know, different events for blockages and stuff like that. There's the Flux, the Outlook streetcar we all know today that I'm not gonna go on there though. The Patera is also here. The New Flyer Excelsior. The only bus from last month that's not here today is the BYD. Yahya was kind of filming over this Orion bus, so we're gonna go inside here. Yahya, I'm gonna come in here.
I tried to press the controls, it never worked.
Oh damn.
Check out the other buses.
Yeah. So again, this used to be a passenger bus. I always sit here, film my bus rides and stuff. There's Yahya over there.
This looks very similar to the buses that we take. What's the difference between this bus and
And there's the driver's seat. What song are you gonna play next? So again, the layout is completely different. They all had them lined up. And there's Yahya going to the New Flyer Excelsior. Let's get another picture of that for the thumbnail. Only these guys can get out of my shot here, but very common to see Pateras on the Mount Dennis routes. That's where they're only based out of, so I go on them all the time. And I've been on the New Flyers probably like more than 15 times, but it's not that all often. I tried to kneel the bus when I was on the BYD.
Hold up. Oh, the door's just open. The horn doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't, but it works on the others.
It works on the other buses, but not this one. It works on the truck.
Oh yeah. The maintenance trucks. There's Bathurst Street and Davenport Road.
Hey, fella, let's go.
Hey, girl. She's just looking at me. Oh, they're playing Miley Cyrus Wrecking Ball. Another childhood song of mine.
Pretty sure it's copyright.
No, I'm not concerned about copyright. It's alright. Yeah, yes, I can't remember if this is the exact same bus that was here last time. But
How do I open this door? Is there like a buddy?
hold on a sec. I think it's.
They open. Oh,
Yeah, it's right behind
there
there.
we go.
Want to go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. And there he is. He's a legit TTC driver. Nothing is on, so.
Great.
And Nori can like fool around with the the destination signs as well.
Wait, where's the back door button?
The back door
Where would
button.
it be?
Yeah, we'll wait, guys, and then we'll have a turn.
Back doors would be.
It's somewhere.
Oh,
over.
here. Rear door control.
Not necessarily. The controls are also on that switch as well.
Hey, guys. In a minute.
Driver's light.
Yeah. Well, again, like nothing is on. When I was here last month, the TTC driver showed me the controls and stuff. So, okay.
Get out.
Start, guys, it's your turn. Noah,
Yes,
go up.
yes. Let's get them their turn.
Noah, go up quick.
I've been got a picture from the outside of the Frontera.
It's all right.
Okay. Where should we go next? I did want to ride the Peter Whip, but I don't think we have time. 227.
Yeah.
Not just for you, but your family.
They also played this song last. Ooh, look, hot dog and drink. Ooh. I'm not that hungry though. I'm gonna wait till I get to the Ukrainian festival. And there's a new flyer shuttle bus.
I think we're going to ride on it on the way back.
The GM New Look.
I don't think the GM New Look will show up.
Just wait. Just wait. We're definitely gonna get our butts on that.
Should we ride on the pirouette?
No, no, there's no time for that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
But yeah,
We should just take another look. We haven't got to the Velocity Outlook yet.
no, I'm not going there. I'm not going there.
I'll go.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
Yep.